First drop. Second drop. Love it. That is so much fun. Way up on the rail there. Into the gully. Sidewall. Berm it up. Berm it up. Okay, so obviously this video is longer than 5 minutes. That's because the timer doesn't start until right now. This way to mountain bike trail system. That's what we're looking for. Pedestrian traffic, bike traffic. Big Creek Nature Trail. Let's check it out. Two-way travel. This trail only. Okay, so we got two-way trail. What I remember about this place is it had pretty good signage. What you need if you're gonna have those kind of rules, you definitely have to have good signage. This is a little more to my liking. I like the rocky technical trails. Although so far, and as of what I remember, this trail would not call this a technical trail. It is, however, not devoid of technical stuff. Let's help the trail guys out. That was in the road trail. Even if you're not there for trail work days, you can still do your part. Just takes a second. Help keep the trails. Drop in and see what this is all about. To get the maximum, we're over here. We're gonna wanna ride, catch that, and then come back. I think that the real good stuff was back in here along this coming down. I see the fun stuff over there. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. 3 seconds and it's over. There's a joke in there, I'm sure. Nice and steep. There we go. All right. That was fun. Just keep climbing. See, where I come from, they would leave the logs like that and make us ride over them. Now, as I recall, this sign was fairly accurate. It is a bit of an expert area. Do not enter. Downhill only. Difficulty. Double black diamond. Okay. I don't know if I qualify. We'll find out. Do not walk up or downhill trails. Duh. Pains me that they have to have a sign that says that. I have no idea which of these two trails is the right trail for me to take. That one says the gully. That sounds kind of fun. Woo, that was fun. And again. Woo. That's what I'm talking about, people. Drop off, expert only. Let's just see. Woo. That's fun. Woo. I wasn't ready for that. I don't feel like I'm ever ready for those kind of features. Skip them. If we don't know, I'm skipping them today because somebody, me, was without health insurance. Oh shoot, that was, okay, we're still going in, okay. I was worried I was gonna miss all this fun. Oh, and to jump out, nice. We're just running the gut today. Woo! 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 Oh, damn. I hope I have enough time to do that again. All right, let's look at the schedule for today. A whole hour for cleanup. If I cut it down to 45 minutes, I gotta take the whole bike apart. And I don't know how far I am from my ride right now. Oh, should I do it? Oh, it'd be so risky. It's so risky. I so want to do that again. That is such a fun run. I know that I can take the public way back, which I can do to really quickly to get back to my ride. Time management wise, such a bad idea. The Lord said, taketh this thy gentle climb, and reach ye for the sky. Seeking knowledge of the gods, did climb, and talk other gibberish into camera. First drop. Second drop. Love it. That is so much fun. You don't really need too much speed on these drops. Way up on the rail there. Came short on that one. I'm not going to do this one. Although I'm sure it's a safe landing. Woo! Next to my did this, I thought I missed it. Just got a nice little drop in here into the gully. Sidewall. Berm it up. Berm it up. Haha. Love it. All right, now we gotta go. We burnt a lot of time doing that. Well, as always, work hard, play hard, be a big softy when you go home. Ride as often as you can. Alright, so that was a trail tour in 5 minutes or less. Hope you enjoyed it. And again, thanks for watching. Want to help me pick which videos to produce next? Do you want to see those videos up to a month early? Do you want to see exclusive production stills and making of videos? You can do all that by supporting me on Patreon. Also, be sure to go over and check out the links in the description below for some of my online stores where you can get cool t-shirts like this one right here. I also have some hoodies that mix bike life with van life. Again, thanks for watching. I sure hope this trail leads to where I want to go. Oh yeah, we are definitely heading back towards our point of origin here.